Most sellers think you list high to sell high. It's backwards. The homes that sell over asking are almost always the ones priced exactly right. Here's why. When you price a home at its true market value, you don't attract one buyer, you attract several buyers. And when several qualified buyers want the same home, they compete. That competition is what pushes the final price above the list price. Overprice it, and the opposite happens. The buyer pool shrinks, the home sells, and you end up cutting the price anyway. So the goal was never a big number on day one, it's the right number, backed by real comparable sales and not a guesswork. I listed a home in 2025 October at 890K. It sold for 935K, 5.1% over asking. One open house, closed in 30 days. The sellers won. The strategy is just what made it repeatable. If you want the right number for your home, call or text me at 732 395 3944.